just an update on the RV. We've offered up the new frame for the louvers, and we've drilled it. It's all ready to be fitted up. We fitted a replacement door to the side today. As you can see, it looks odd now, but there's a better door put in place. So it's time to wrap up now. And there's still a lot of other jobs to do, but it's a limit to what you can do. So yeah, the frame fits nice and snug. We've got to re-drill a couple of holes, not quite lined up, but that was expected. So it's just a matter of wrapping the job up now and packing up for the day. I think some rain due in this afternoon, so I'm just going to have a look at the tagline setup now, see how bad that is. So that's all we can do today, really. But it's getting there slowly. So till next time.